How to Make Money Online 2019. Making money online is something that seems impossible, especially if you don't know much about it, but it is simpler than you might imagine, as long as you are educated. This video contains information that will help you do just that. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating articles for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and paper post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single task, write just one article or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. Freelancing is a great way to work online. There are a number of sites that will allow you to log on and put in an idea or proposal. Buyers then search the available options and figure out what they would like to purchase. Freelancing is best suited for skills that involve things like programming and data entry. Create honest reviews of some of the new software that is out on the market today. Software Judge is a site that will pay you to try out this new software and create a review of how good or bad you think it is. This will skyrocket your earnings if you can do this often. There are legit ways to make money, but there are also scams online. Research any site before you do business with them in any way. Check out the BBB for any complaints that may have been lodged. If you have a blog or website ready to go, think about selling advertising space on it. You will earn money each time one of your visitors stops what they are doing and clicks on the ad. The best way to be successful and earn money with pay-per-click advertising is to have a good website that offers valuable information. This will increase your traffic flow as well as the number of clicks you are getting. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for article and content writing services. By checking into these options and reading feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. Now you have the information you need to earn cash online. There are many opportunities, but you need to stay vigilant and try these tips. Take each day step by step. With time, you'll see your bank account grow. Click the link below in the description box for more ways to make up to $423.67 a day with shocking consistency.